everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I have another Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. So if you want to see what I got in technically last month's box, which would have been August, please, no wait, we're in August, hang on, I've really stuffed this. If you would like to see what I got in July's box, please keep on watching. Okay, so guys, before I jump into this, I will just quickly let you know a few things about Boxycharm. Firstly, yes, I am Australian, and yes, I do have Boxycharm in Australia, and I will tell you how to achieve that in just 1 second. To let you know about the service, however, basically what it is it's a subscription service. You receive a box every month and you get 5 to 6 full-size items in each box. Now, these items vary from being inexpensive to quite expensive. The cost of the box is $25 US, and you generally get more than double, in fact, definitely more than double worth of value of product in each box. It's actually quite brilliant. And that's one of the reasons why I absolutely love Boxycharm. It gives me the opportunity to try a whole bunch of different products that I otherwise wouldn't necessarily have thought to pick up for myself. Also too, because it is located in the US, I get to try products that otherwise may not necessarily be available on the Australian market. So all of those points I really enjoy about it. I also want to let you know that this is not a sponsored video. It probably sounds like one, but it's definitely not. I would love that though. Hashtag let that happen. Anyway, so, and as I was saying, I'm going to let you know how to get into Australia. So, I have a Shopmate account that is through Australia Post. It's very easy to set up. It's actually free. And what they do is that they give you a US postal address. It is basically at a warehouse. And so what happens is that your Boxycharm gets shipped to the warehouse. When it arrives, you get a notification to say that it's arrived, and you then declare your items. So you declare that it is, you know, a makeup beauty related box, and you declare the amount that you spent on that box, and then it works out the shipping for you. So for me, every time I do this, once I've paid Boxycharm the $25 US for the box, then get it shipped from my postal address in America to me, the total cost of the box roughly works out to be maybe $80 to $82, no more than 85, let's just sum it up to that. No more than 85 Australian dollars for physically getting the box and then getting it forwarded on to me. So based on the value that I get out of every single box each month, I think it's well and truly worth it. And if you're wondering about how long you wait for the box, it depends on how quickly Boxycharm can actually ship it to your shipping facility. So the second that it actually arrives at the shipping facility, maybe a week to 2 weeks max, and you'll have it at home. The whole process can take anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. I generally don't wait any more than 4 weeks from the time that I've placed the order to actually coming to my home. So that in saying that, I think that's pretty decent. So that gives you all the info about the service and how I get it here. So let's go ahead and jump into the month of July's box and see exactly what I got. Okay, so this is the card that it comes with. So the theme for the box was sunshine. Love that. I'm actually about to go on a little holiday myself. I'm very fortunate. I live in Queensland, so we're very fortunate that we can of course travel within our state. So we're going to go to Hamilton Island in a couple of days and just have a lit time for 6 days and pretend that we're in Vegas, which is where we technically should be right now, but that's okay. Anyway, moving on. All right, so this card is going to give you all the information about the products that are inside this box. And the very first thing that I can see that I'm very excited about, this is by the brand Hourglass. So straight up, just to receive a product from Hourglass. Like, Hourglass is such a bougie luxury brand. I love the brand. I think they make some incredible blushes, and their powders are very nice as well. So this one here is called Scattered Light, and it is a glitter eyeshadow. So let's have a look. Now this retails US, this retails for $29. So already the cost of the box and a little bit more in this little product. Love that. So this is what it looks like. The shade that we got, ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. So this is this stunning bronzy color. Now these are like topper shadows. They're very, very similar to the Natasha Denona potted formula that I also have and love. So I'm just gonna try and get a little bit out. I've got nails, which is like really preventing this from happening. But as you can see, that's that beautiful copper shade there. And that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. Really, really stunning gold reflect with that beautiful coppery base. Love that. These I find are incredibly easy to use, and they're really great for anybody who doesn't have a lot of time in the morning and you just want something on your eye just to give you that little bit of like, you know, but you need to be out the door really quickly. So something like this will really, really achieve that for you. So yeah, very, very excited to have received that and to try it, because I don't own any of them by Hourglass yet. Now I do. Yay. Okay, next up we have, and as you can see, like they really think about the packaging. Like everything always comes really, really well wrapped and bubble wrapped, you know, for safety. So I love that. So this is by Ace Beauty. Now I have received quite a few eyeshadow palettes from Ace Beauty before in Boxycharm, and I really can tell you that I love the formula. So now we have a face palette by them. Ooh, look at this. So this is a bronzing, sculpting and contouring palette. Isn't that just stunning? You have 4 fabulous shades to achieve those looks no matter what skin tone you are. So I love that. Let's just have a look at some of the shades. So that's the deepest shade in the palette. And then we have the second deepest there. I really didn't think about how I was watching this, but never mind. The second deeper or lightest, and then the lightest shade there. So they are all the shades. I can definitely see myself using these, and they're, hang on, wait, no. That one, the deeper shade in this palette, I could see that all over my lid every day easily as a transition shade in my crease. So I love that. This is quite, to me, a very universal palette, and I'm thoroughly looking forward to having a play with this. You do get a decent size mirror as well, so love that. Now this one here is called the Bronzed in Paradise palette, and it retails for $30 US. All right, on to the next product, and this one here is this by Nude Sticks? It is. This is by Nude Sticks. Now I do not own anything by Nude Sticks. Actually, no, that's a lie. I did just recently get a gloss in a Sephora favorites thing. And I quite liked the formula of that. It was just like a mini to try, and I liked that. So this one here is their Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil, and this is in the shade Raven, and it looks to be like this beautiful berry red. So let's just have a look. Oh yeah, very berry red. Oh my gosh, that is just, I love that color. I love, 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 love that color. Oh my goodness. I would put it on right now, but it would look ridiculous with my eyes. So we're not going to do that. But look how stunning that shade is. I will definitely, definitely be wearing this. And I also just loved how creamy that was. I might just sort of push that on the back of my hand a little bit more just to see how it would go. Ooh, look at that. Could you imagine that as a bit of a, like a rouge, a bit of a blush moment? That is so nice. Obviously, if you were going to use it as a blush, you wouldn't need a lot, but that is actually such a beautiful, beautiful color. Love that. All right, so that one there retails for $26 US. This box, the value right now, oh my goodness. Feeling good about this. Feeling very good about this. Next up, we have this one here by, wait, no. This one here by the Clear Skin Club. Now, I have never heard of this brand before. This is a vitamin C brightening booster. I definitely do need some more of that in my life. So, ooh, look at that. This is giving me very much Sunday Riley vibes right now. But this has got, it says here, it's got watermelon, green tea, and pineapple essence in there. So, very excited to incorporate this into my skincare and see how it goes. Does it have a scent? Not really. Not that I can smell anyway. and it looks pretty clear. Okay, so yeah, very excited to give this a go and incorporate this into my skincare to see how it works. I can see on the box here it is made in the USA, so I love that. And also it is got the little bunny on there, so it is cruelty free and vegan for those of you who are wondering. Now this one here retails for $49.95 US. Whoa. Okay, and it's a 30 ml item, so that's pretty decent. All right, so moving on, the last thing that we have in here is this little pack here, and this is by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. This is a eye mask, or potentially multiple eye masks. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. I wonder if these are like single-use ones. I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna have a look. Okay, so yes, they are. I thought that would be the case. So this is what they look like on the inside. Oh my gosh, I love that. Little details, I live for them. So on the bottom of this flap here, it actually says here, good choice, with a little winking smiley face. I love attention to detail, and little things like that just make my day when brands do that. So this is what they look like. Ooh, so nice. I can definitely see myself using these, you know, when I'm doing my makeup applications and things like that. So doing my eyes first, that sort of thing. Love that. They will be coming away with me for sure. Now, you do get, does it tell me how many you get, or do I have to count them? No, it does. It tells me. Thank you. You get 12 pairs in this box, and they are $21 US each. So very good. Again, I haven't heard of this brand before, so I'm not sure if it's like something exclusive in the US or whether we just do have it and I just haven't noticed. That is a real possibility. I'll find out for you guys. I'll have everything, all the info linked below, as you've probably seen throughout this video. But I think it's important for you guys to be able to see how much things retail for, not only in you know, US dollars, but also in Australian dollars as well, to give you guys that comparison. And also for those Aussies out there who are interested in the service, gives you the opportunity to see the value in the boxes, I think anyway. So yeah. All right guys, that is everything for today's video. That is everything for this box. I will be back, of course, with another one next month. I'm looking forward to next month's box. I already know some spoilers, so that will be good. And also in September, so I will be uploading this video, of course, in October, because that's honestly when it's going to arrive. But I am doing the premium or the luxury one. I can't remember. It's one or the other. Every quarter, they do like a special box that you buy on top of your base box. And it has a whole bunch of like added goodies in there. So that will be coming in September, and I'm very much looking forward to that as well. I already did some preferences for it, so huzzah. All right guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. I know you guys know I love talking to you guys and interacting with you. And I will see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.